You might hear that true Excel automation requires a paid subscription to an official AI copilot. But the truth is, the ability to run complex, automated workflows is accessible without spending a single cent. Today, we are going to use a free ChatGPT account to write custom scripts that split massive datasets in seconds, and will install an in-app AI assistant to build formulas on command. You don't need a background in coding to follow along. You only need a specific mindset. You must be ready to encounter coding errors and fix them through trial and error. Mastering these exact workflows changes your role. You stop manually typing data and start managing the systems that do the work for you. To get started, we have to bypass an initial roadblock. The tools required for custom automation are hidden by default to keep the interface simple for new users. Move your mouse up to the main top ribbon, right-click anywhere in the empty space, and select Customize the ribbon from the drop-down menu. In the window that pops up, look at the list on the right. Find the box labeled Developer, check it, and click OK. Exposing this tab gives you the interface needed to write and run custom scripts directly within your workbook. As this diagram shows, an AI cannot visually see your spreadsheet. A vague prompt will fail, but a specific one succeeds because it relies on strict mathematical coordinates that you provide. Step 1 is explicitly stating the exact file name of your workbook in your initial prompt instruction. Next, you must provide the exact sheet tab name where your target data resides, so the AI knows precisely where to look. Finally, you detail the column letter and row number range. Tell the AI your data sits specifically in column I, and provide the cell range from row 2 down to row 425. With those coordinates mapped, give the final action command. Tell the AI to write a macro that takes that specific column and splits the data into separate new sheets based on the unique categories it finds. The reliability of AI-generated code rests entirely on your ability to act as a precise, literal translator of your data environment. With the code generated, click your new Developer tab, open the Visual Basic editor, click Insert, and select Module. Do not paste your AI code directly into a standard spreadsheet cell. It will not work. The module window is the only correct destination for a script. Paste the AI-generated text into that blank window and click the green Run arrow at the top to execute it. Expect the execution to halt on your first try. A pop-up will likely appear highlighting a specific control variable error. Suppress any panic. Dismiss the debug prompt and simply copy the exact error text provided by the system. Return directly to your AI chat interface and paste that exact error text back in as your next direct command. The AI will generate a corrected script. Go back to your module, delete the failed code entirely, paste the revised version, and click Run again. The master dataset instantly fragments, populating your distinct categories into brand new tabs along the bottom of your screen. Encountering errors and feeding them back to the AI is not a failure. It is the standard, highly efficient workflow of modern AI-assisted programming. Now we can move from external code to a permanent built-in solution using the native Excel add-in store. Click Get Add-ins, search for the free tool Formula AI Edit Toolbar. Click Add and agree to the terms. Once installed, deploy the sidebar tool. Then click the exact blank spreadsheet cell where you want your final calculation to appear. Type a plain English request into the tool's text field, like asking it to locate a specific person based on neighboring data. The tool takes that simple English sentence, processes it, and outputs a rigidly structured formula. Click the Generated Arrow button to inject that formula directly into your selected cell. Tools like this change your skill set, moving away from memorizing strict syntax toward mastering logical inquiry. By completing these steps, you now possess a fully categorized, automated workbook and a dedicated formula assistant, achieved at absolutely zero cost. True automation is an iterative partnership. It relies on trial, error, and clear, structured communication with the AI. Open your most tedious, messy workplace dataset today and apply these precise instructions to it. Leveraging AI in data management is about evolving how we approach problem solving, rather than buying the most expensive software.